Hey guys, so if you're looking to skipping the prologue in GTA 5, the thing is that the prologue is like 3 minutes if you skip the cutscenes. It takes longer for you to die and skip than just playing it. So this is something that is like important, is that you can like speed run it. And that's pretty much it, so you should be good. So that's about that. And yeah, it's like it's short. You just have to like do it really quickly. The prologue is less than 5 minutes if you skip the cutscenes and move at a decent pace. And you have it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.